Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps in Canva. This is a fantastic feature if you're creating flyers, event posters, business presentations, or any design where you need to show a specific location visually. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, navigate to the project where you'd like to add the map. This could be an event invitation, a business card, a poster, or any design that would benefit from having a location displayed. Click on your project to open it up in the Canva editor. Now that you're in your project, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a vertical menu with various design options. Look for and click on the Apps option. This section is where Canva houses all its powerful integrations and tools that extend your design capabilities beyond the standard features. Clicking on Apps opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your designs. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type Google Maps into this search bar. This will filter the available apps and bring up the Google Maps integration specifically. It's a straightforward way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through dozens of other apps. After searching, you'll see the Google Maps app appear in the results. Click on it to activate the integration. This will open up the Google Maps interface right within your Canva workspace, allowing you to search for and add locations directly to your design without ever leaving the platform. It's a seamless process that saves you time and effort. Now comes the part where you customize your map. In the Google Maps search field that appears, type in the location you want to add to your Canva design. This could be a specific address, a landmark, a business name, or even just a city or neighborhood. The search function is quite robust and should recognize most locations you're looking for. Once you've typed in your location, you'll see search results appear. Browse through them if necessary and click on the exact location you want to use. The moment you click it, the map will be automatically added to your Canva design. You can then resize it, reposition it, or adjust it to fit perfectly within your layout. This flexibility ensures the map complements your overall design rather than disrupting it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Google Maps location to your Canva project, making your design more informative and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.